Abafundi baseMpumalanga abafunda eRussia basola umnyango wemfundo ephakeme ngokungabanakekeli. Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uyena ke owahlinzeka labafundi ngomfundazo wokuyofunda phesheya, kodwa ke labafundi bathi bayesaba ngenxa yezimo abaphila ngaphansi kwazo njengoba kune coronavirus. Manje ke sebefuna ukubuya beze ekhaya.
Lo ke ithanza kuba nje kulabafundi baseMpumalanga labaseRussia bafunza i-information technology kanye ne-medicine etinzaweni letahlukahlukene kulela live. Bathi ke bebethenjiswe stipend lesingu 5,000 wemarandi kepha ke bathola 3,000 ngenyanga.
In terms of accommodation, we request to be placed at a proper accommodation for the hostels we are placed in are not very educational conducive for our needs.
The 3,000 that we're getting is not enough. We need money for medical insurance. Since we are paying for our medical insurance ourselves, we need money for books, so we're not getting any book allowance. We also need money for transport since the universities from different cities.
Kepha ke njengoba kunje kusetandleni talo elomelele leli kule Russia.
Imizi yozakuzo yeli kumazwe ngamazwe iza kutyelela ze inike uncedo kubafundi beli abakulo mazwe. Le nkqubo ke iza kube ikhokhelwa lisebe lezangaphandle. Kubalekile ukutsho ukuba abafundi baseMpumalanga baseRussia nabo baza kuxhamla kweli phulo.
Kusukela kwabhedvuka lesifo se-COVID-19, labafundi solo bancenga hulumende ukuthi ababuyise kuleli. Live leRussia selibe nebantfu labesuleleke ngalesifo labang-80,000 kuthi labang-700 sebafile. Kubukeka kungathi njengoba lesimo simemandondolwane leti-student titawuchitha isikhathi sato semaholidi kule Russia. Umbuso ushaya ngendvuku phasi kutibuyisa. Ngingusiphephile Kunene wetindzaba te-SABC eMbombela.